This is an instructional video on how to replace RAM on an Optiplex 3020. First thing you're going to need is a tool like this to open up the sides right here. Pull off the tab. Inside you're going to see an optical drive right here. You're going to pull this tab up and remove the optical drive out simply by pulling it out like this. And just set that off to the side. On the other side right here you can see a blue tab. You're going to push the tab out, remove the SATA cable, and remove the power supply, which are these two right here. You should be able to pull this out right there. And that will give you access to your RAM right in this area. To add RAM, simply just push the tab out. Push firmly on the RAM once you push it in. So I'm going to show you by removing this RAM right here. This is what it looks like. Make sure you notice where this slot is. Make sure you match it up with this slot. Use two fingers and push firmly, and you'll hear a snap once you do it. And both tabs will have gone in just like that. And you reverse the process to put everything back inside. There are two little tabs right here. Make sure they match up with these two little tabs right here. You put everything back inside and hook it all back up the way it was before. Just move the cords out of the way to get it back in the way it was. And you simply snap that back in and push this one right here, the optical drive, and close it up, and you're done.